At TestGauge, we provide solutions for our customers. We are not just a company that just sells product.
Our focus is to make sure that our customers are successful, and we understand how important that is, especially coming from the field itself.
We believe in a customer experience where when they call TestGauge,
we're able to give that personal touch to make our customers successful for what they're doing day in and day out. So the idea of smart and connected devices is actually somewhat new to the plumbing industry.
As the Internet of Things get adopted, Watts is actually at the forefront, pushing the envelope. The SentryPlus Alert Technology allows for certain systems to shut off water supply before it floods out a building.
They're going to get an alert and someone's going to be able to respond very quickly. It is actually what we are looking for in an IoT-enabled system. We do not have to install this on a Watts product, and there's a large value for that, and we've had very, very good reactions to it from our customer base.
The biggest hurdle we see jumping onto a connected strategy or the Internet of Things is, how is this going to benefit me? How's it going to benefit my customer? It's another thing to learn. Do I really need this?
We are selective and protective about the products that we do sell, the products that we do educate our customers on. With SentryPlus Alert, we are confident that it is a good product.
Watts has backed us all the way. They've helped us with training materials, and they've helped with training events at our own location.
Seeing it firsthand, actually having it installed, installing it at other locations, we see the ease of use, how well it works, and how excited the customers are when they have it installed.
The installation on it is so simple that most of the employees picked it up within 5 minutes.
It gives them peace of mind, and it gives us satisfaction knowing that a product is going to work. And it's something that I feel confident standing by.
The introduction of SentryPlus to the marketplace has really made me look forward to where the plumbing industry is heading in the future.